Okay, example 4.14. In this example, actually it is in the 4. Subtopic 4.4, solving for R, N, and I. Okay, at page 85. So let's try to look at the question. Find the amount to be invested every 3 months at 10% compounded quarterly to accumulate to 10,000 in 3 years, and then find the interest earned. So basically the question wants us to find the amount to be invested. Or in other words, what is the value of R? What is the equal amount to be invested every 3 months? Okay, so we have been given information that they want to actually accumulate it to 10,000 in 3 years. So to accumulate, when we talk about accumulation, it is actually about the future value. If they talk about discounting, it is actually to find the present value. Now they want to accumulate to 10,000. So based on this, because of there's a value of money here, 10% compounded quarterly, we know that it is not necessary to accumulate exactly 10,000 by ourselves to get 10,000 in 3 years. Why? Because we have this investment tool, right? 10% compounded quarterly, meaning that it can actually self-accumulate. A portion will be self-accumulate and some part of it will be accumulated by us. So let's see how much actually need to be accumulated by us and how much will be self-accumulate by this interest offered. Alright, so to find this, right, we actually have the information on the S, or the future value, which is we want it to be 10,000 in 3 years. So to find what is the amount that needs to be invested in every 3 months, we will use the formula of S. So the formula of annuity in finding future value. So the future value, the targeted future value is 10,000, and we want to find out what is the value of R. And we know that the compound interest is 10% compounded quarterly. Okay, so 10% compounded quarterly, meaning 4 times per year. And the value of N is actually because of they want to accumulate it in 3 years. Okay, in 3 years, 1 year the interest is 4 times. So for 3 years it will be 12 times. Okay, and high I here is equal to 0.1 over 4, and now that we have everything, we can calculate for the R. So the R is actually equal to 724 ringgit 0.90 cents. Right? If you try to calculate it directly, you'll see that 724 ringgit and 90 cents times with how many times? Times with 12 times, right? You need to actually invest it 3 months, once per 3 months for 3 years. So 12 times. So basically, the amount that need to be invested by us is just 8,698 ringgit 0.80 cents, right? To get 10,000 in 3 years, we need to invest 8,700, right? Sort of. Okay, so the next question is find the interest earned. So basically we know that to find the interest, we actually take the total value, 10,000, subtract with the amount that we actually invest. So we invest 724.9 times 12 times. So when we subtract, you should get 1,000 301 ringgit, equal to 1,301 ringgit point 2 cents. So out of 10,000, 1,300.1 ringgit, 1 ringgit point 20 cents is accumulated through the interest.